The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for BTX, beginning at 4:35 p.m. Tuesday, May 18th and ending at 4:35 p.m. Wednesday, May 19th. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi TX has issued a flood warning for the following river in Texas: Aransas River near Skidmore affecting B County. For the Aransas River, including Skidmore, major flooding is forecast. Flood warning for the Aransas River near Skidmore. Until 5/2/0/2021, People of Skidmore, it is recommended that you take appropriate action if you are in a flood-prone zone.